You're welcome back to Abinibi Studios. My name is Ara Adike. If you are coming across this video for the first time, have you subscribed? If not, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Today, we'll be diving into the brief history of the new Alaafin of Oyo, Alaafin Abimbola Akeem Owoade. Prince Akeem Abimbola Owoade, the new Alaafin of Oyo, is a Nigerian-Canadian entrepreneur with global legacy. Born into the royal family of Agloye family of Oyo, he is the descendant of Aremo Ajeromu Inyanda Owoade. His father, Parasaki Owoade, played a significant role in the enhancing of agricultural productivity in Oke-Ogun region. Prince Abimbola Owade's educational journey started in Baptist High School, Shaki, where he completed his secondary school in 1992. He then pursued a career in engineering, earning a national diploma and national higher diploma in mechanical engineering from the Federal Polytechnic of Ilaro and the Polytechnic of Ibadan, respectively. His entrepreneurial spirit led him to Canada, where he founded Manitoba Limited, a successful real estate company. He also serves as the coordinator of Manitoba Hydro, a major utility company in Canada. Beyond his professional achievements, Prince Owoade is also an advocate of Yoruba culture. He also participates in Yoruba cultural organizations abroad, demonstrating his deep connection to his heritage. We at Abinibi Studio think the selection of Prince Owoade as the new Alaafin of Oyo marks a significant moment for Oyo Kingdom and the Yoruba people at large. We think his blend of entrepreneurial acumen, cultural awareness, and philanthropic spirit promises a reign that will bring prosperity and progress to the ancient kingdom at large. And that's all we have for today. I remain Ara Aduke. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more exciting and cultural content.